how to fix live option missing on TikTok. So guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how can you fix the problem like live option is missing on TikTok. So first of all, you have to check your TikTok that has been updated to its latest version or not. So simply you can check it from Play Store and you have to search here for TikTok. Okay. So from here, if the updates are available for TikTok, so update to its latest version. So after you updated the latest version of TikTok, please open the TikTok app. Okay, so if you still are not finding the option live, so please check your followers from the TikTok. So likewise, in my case, this is the new idea and I have the 0 followers. So talking about the TikTok policy, you won't be able to do live on TikTok without exceeding the 1,000 followers on TikTok. So make sure you have the 1,000 followers to do live on TikTok. So if you have already 1,000 followers and still have no any features to do live, so simply you have to click on these 3 lines on the top right corner of your screen. And from here, you'll have to choose for the setting and privacy, and now from here you have to scroll down and go for the options like report or problem. Okay, so from here you will have to choose for the option live. So on this option you have to go with the option hosting live. So from here you will have to choose for the options like live is suspended. So simply click on it. Click on this no option. After that you will have to click on this need more help option. So on this, you will have to explain your problem that you are not able to do live with 1,000 followers. So after 24 hours, the TikTok help desk or TikTok support team will provide you the solution for this problem. So that's it. This is the process to fix live option missing on your TikTok. So if this video was helpful to you, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon over there for more short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.